Busting the myths. Rich plant sources of B12. It is said that B12 is not found in plants-based sources. Hence, vegetarians need to resort to dairy products, fortified cereals, or supplements that provide B12. But according to recent studies, it is found that all of this is not true. This is a myth being propagated against vegetarian plant-based diet and is absolutely false. It is absolutely false. There are lots of families in the world who grow and consume their own organic products and are completely healthy without any sign of deficiency. Can't say as to why and how these myths are being propagated. Some people say it's a hidden agenda of the animal-based food and supplement industry so that people start embracing animal-based diet supplements in the name of necessity for being healthy. If a plant don't have B12, then how these vegans are keeping themselves healthy for generations? Here I would explain how it is absolutely necessary for a plant to have B12 in certain growth stages and what are the rich sources of B12 from plants. Vitamin B12 is made by bacteria in the soil and absorbed by the plants for their growth purpose. Animals like cow, buffalo, and sheep etc. contain B12 because they eat all kinds of grass every day. Hence, it's counterintuitive to say that plants do not contain B12. In fact, the truth is all the seeds contain B12 and here is the science behind it. The seeds don't have chlorophyll and hence can't rely on sunlight for growth. So they have B12 along with other B vitamins until it becomes a mature plant. Hence all the seeds contain not just B12 but the entire B complex. In fact, there are researches which claim that our gut can produce all the B12 that we need if it's clean. But most of us don't have a clean gut due to intake of several drugs, acid, preservatives and other chemicals, due to which our gut is not able to produce and absorb vitamins properly. Now let us see some of the plant-based sources that are rich in B12 and B complex in general. Legume sprouts. Legumes are dicotyledon plants and hence they have a high content of B12 in their seeds. All the dals are legumes and can be sprouted as well. 2 to 3 days old sprouts are a great source of B12 and other nutrients. They are a nutrient powerhouse. Eating a bowl of sprouted moong or some other legumes boosts the health. Wet grass juice. It is the juice prepared from freshly sprouted leaves of wet seed. Fresh wet grass juice contains 80 microgram of B12 per 100 ml. This can fulfill our quota of B12 for a month. We can consume it once in a while. Buckwheat. It's a low maintenance and short season crop. It is an excellent source of protein, minerals, dietary fibers, B vitamins including B12 and it's gluten free. People who are allergic to gluten can also eat it. It is consumed in India during Navratri and other fasting days as kattu ka atta. Its noodles are consumed in Tibet and China too. Purple nori lavers. Nori or laver is a kind of seaweed. Dried nori is known as purple nori. It's very prevalent in Japan and is used for wrapping sushi. It's one of the richest sources of vitamin B12. Chlorella. It's an algae. It's packed with nutrients. It's a great source of antioxidants, protein, fiber, minerals, and vitamins including B12. We can consume its powder. Mushroom fruiting bodies of several edible mushrooms have vitamin B12 too. Thank you for watching. Let's aware ourselves and people around us.